Happy Campers. We are here on Wednesday for our Wonders lesson today on our reading. It is a day 3. You should have already completed your daily language for Wednesday, and your sentences today said they are my favorite band. I have to go see them when it is in town. And if we fix that up correctly, we should say that is my favorite band. Strong emotion there, exclamation point. I have to go see them when they are in town. Make sure you have that fixed up and that you put that into your folder so you have it for tomorrow. Unit 5 is all about taking action. Our big idea, what are ways people can take action? The central question, how do teams work together? Our vocabulary, renewable. Something that is renewable can be made again. Make sure you read with me, boys and girls. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Natural. When something is natural, it is found in nature, not made by people. Pollution. Pollution is harmful materials that make something dirty. Produce. To produce is to make or create something. Replace. To replace is to take the place of. Sources. Sources are where things come from. Traditional. Something traditional is most common or expected. We're going to build on our vocabulary by completing each sentence. As I read them, you can pause and you can think of an answer to go into the blank. An earthquake is a type of natural blank. Blank are sources of pollution in our environment. How can we produce more renewable? I need to replace my lost. Okay, our building vocabulary skill is homophones this week. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings. The store sells candy by the register. The human body is made up of cells. We have cells and cells. One starts with an S, one starts with a C. We are going to do a read aloud. It's all in the wind, and this is an expository text about how people are using the wind as a source of energy. And this can be found on page 456 of your literature anthology book. Your job is to get those books opened up to that, and also to bring it up on your Connect Ed. So remember, the link is there on your reading assignment. You are going to go to Mrs. Shank's class, find your name, and you are going to put in your password, log in. We're going to hit launch when it comes up. We're going to go to our blue read circle, and it should be right there. It's all in the wind. We're going to click on it, and you're going to use the speaker button to read through the story. Please make sure you are following along and you are whisper reading. You may pause to do that now. Good job. Now that you've read, it's all in the wind. Use important details from the selection to summarize. Remember, when we're summarizing, we're not telling every detail of the story, but we are telling the main parts, the most important information. I want you to pause now and summarize the story. How does the author show that wind energy is important? What are some of the things the author does in this story that shows us that is important? What's some examples that the author gives? Why are more people around the world using wind power? What makes this so great? Why do people want to use it? Our grammar. Before you get to grammar, it's also a great time in there. Pause your video, Do a spelling word practice, chant them, write them on the sidewalk, rainbow write, spelling ladders, any of those fun things. Go spell them to someone in your house. Any of those things. Grammar, pronoun, verb, contraction. A contraction is a shortened form of two words. An apostrophe replaces letters that are left out in a pronoun verb contraction. She's my sister. She is. The I popped out and it became she. I've always liked his artwork. I have always liked his artwork. Out of have, a popped out, and we replaced it with an apostrophe. Here we have a list of some common contractions. Please read this list with me. I will say the two words, you say the contraction. He is, she is, she's, it is, it's, you are, your, I am, I'm, we are, we're, they are, there, I have, I've. Contractions are formed with a pronoun and a helping verb such as is, have, or will. I'll go change and then we can go. I'll was I will. We popped out the W-I, replaced it with an apostrophe. It'll all work out. It was it will. We popped out the W-I again, replaced it with an apostrophe. Here are some common contractions formed with will. Please read with me. I will, I'll. He will, he'll. She will, she'll. We will, we'll. You will, you'll. It will, it'll. They will, they'll. Do not confuse possessive pronouns with contractions. The words it's, your, and their are contractions. Notice they have apostrophes here, boys and girls. Apostrophes mean contractions. They each have an apostrophe that stands for a letter that is left out. The words it's, yours, and their are possessive pronouns. They do not have apostrophes. Okay? So these are showing ownership. Possessive means showing ownership, and they do not have an apostrophe. That is the end of our reading slideshow for today. Thank you for listening and keep learning, boys and girls.